If you ever thought, I want to invest in real estate but I have no idea where to start, this video is for you. Today I'm breaking down real estate investing step by step. No jargon, no fluff, just down to the facts. That way you can start investing in real estate with confidence. I remember when I first started investing in real estate and I was completely lost. I felt like everyone knew all the secrets and all the rules and I was just left in the dust. The truth is, real estate investing can be broken down to simple steps that you can use starting today. Anyone can follow this, you don't need experience, and you don't need to be a gazillionaire in order to get started. So, let's break it down. Step one, you gotta learn the basics. You don't need to be an expert, but you do need to understand some of the basic concepts. For instance, cash flow, money left over after you pay all your expenses, such as maintenance, utilities, mortgage, insurance, taxes. Next, you gotta understand the difference between your return on your investment and your cash in return. Also understand the difference and the pros and cons between single family, multifamily, or commercial properties. You gotta watch videos, read books, talk to people, meet people in order to get yourself the expertise that you need. Step two is you gotta choose your entry strategy. For example, maybe you're gonna house hack. You're gonna buy a multifamily home, live in one unit, rent out the next and pay off the mortgage. Maybe you want to do wholesaling where you're finding deals, putting under contract, and selling it to some other buyer. Or you want to do more traditional route where you're gonna buy and hold the property for a long period of time. Or there's other type of real estate strategies such as flipping or BRRRR methods. All these have their unique pros and cons. It all depends what your goals are and your strategy is and how does that strategy fit your goals. But what you wanna do is you don't wanna do all these different things. You wanna pick one, pick the niche, become the expert in that area, and then just excel from there. Next thing you need to do is you gotta build your team. You gotta build your surrounding with people who know what they're doing. That includes having a real estate agent who actually understands investors and the jargon behind it, having a mortgage broker or a lender in place. They have all your financing all set, ready to go. That way you're ready to execute a deal when one crosses your plate. Have a property inspector already on your checklist. That way you're not scrambling when you're in the middle of due diligence. Starting to get in touch with handyman or subcontractors. That way if something breaks, you know how to act quickly. Also, other investors already in the game. Maybe you'll partner with them, or maybe you can use them as mentors so you can learn from their mistakes. Having the right team in place is crucial in order to be successful. And you don't need to wait for the buy property in order to start building your team today. And the more people you connect with, the more you're going to learn, the more you're going to learn about the market, the more you're going to learn about investing and what's going on in the marketplace. Next, you want to make sure how you're going to finance the deal. There's tons of different options out there and you got to find which deal is going to work best for you. Maybe you're going to do traditional financing. Maybe you're a first-time home buyer and you're going to use an FHA loan for house hacking techniques. Perhaps you found a deal where there's going to be seller financing involved. Or you're gonna plan on partnering or using private money in order to fund your deal. You don't need all the money yourself, you just need to know what option is gonna best fit your needs. Next, you wanna start looking for deals. Ask your agent to pull listings from the MLS that fit your criteria. Network with other investors. Maybe they have found something that doesn't fit their criteria, but maybe it'll fit yours. Or maybe they're selling something for the portfolio that you can pick up and put in yours. You can direct mail directly to owners. You never know, something can have a pop up after that. Or you could be driving for dollars, literally in your car, driving around, trying to find properties. This is great if you're looking to fix and flip. You can find distressed properties and try to get those under your belt. Some of the best deals and properties that I come across with are ones that are not on the marketplace. They're off-market deals and they're always acquired through relationships. The next step you want to do is run the numbers. You got to ask yourself important questions as, what are you expecting for rent? What are your expenses going to be? What is the mortgage? What is the insurance? What's real estate taxes, maintenance, vacancies in the area? Know what your rent is, know what all your expenses are. That way you can understand what your monthly cash flow is going to be. If the numbers don't work on paper, they're not going to work in real life. And the last step you want to do is take action. You can spend years studying the market. You can do analysis paralysis. If you wait for all the stars to line up correctly, you're just gonna miss out on key opportunities. So learn as you go. When you find the right deal that hits your criteria, take action. Okay, so let's do a recap. What did we learn? You're gonna learn the basics. You're gonna pick a strategy, build your team, line up financing, find deals, run the numbers, and then take action. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. It really helps me out with the algorithm. Leave a comment in the section below on what type of video you want to hear next. And don't forget to hit subscribe. See you next time.